Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening Safari and placing your finger in the address/search bar. This single field does both web addresses and searches. Type concise keywords, not full sentences, because search engines match phrases faster. Once done, watch suggested results appear below. These are shortcuts and relevant queries. If nothing appears, make sure cellular or Wi-Fi is active. This first step gets you immediate results and sets the query context for filters and follow-up clicks. Now refine your query to get precise answers. Put quotes around exact phrases to avoid unrelated hits. Use cite: to limit results to one domain, for example cite, edu. Once you see results, switch to Images, News, or Maps tabs to change the content type. This narrows noise and surfaces the format you need. Make sure to scroll past the first page for diverse sources. These filters speed up discovery and reduce misleading pages. Finish by opening a result and quickly evaluating it. Glance at the URL, snippet, and date to judge relevance. Press and hold a link to preview without losing your search, and open promising pages in new tabs so you can compare sources. If pages load slowly or searches fail, clear Safari cache, restart the app, and retry. Network or cache data often causes issues. This final routine ensures you land on reliable content.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.